In this video, we will solve question number 2 of section A of Mathematics ICSE 10. Now move to question number 2, first part, in which we have given a quadratic equation. So first of all, we will compare it with our standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we will get the value of a, b and c here. On putting the value in the solution of this equation, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. On putting the value of a, b, c, we will get its solution in the form plus minus 5 plus minus root 57 divided by 4. The value of square root of 57 is 7.549. On rounding it, we get 7.55. Now the first value of x is 5 plus 7.55. It means 12.55 divided by 4. It becomes 3.1375. On rounding it up to 3 significant figure, we have 3.14. For the second value, we have 5 minus 7.549. On subtracting this, we have minus 2.55. On dividing it by 4, we have minus 0.6375. Rounding up to 3 significant figure, we get x is equal to minus 0.638. So the question is solved. Now we move to second part of this question. In the second part related to recurrent deposit, we have given monthly sum 250 and 3 into 12 is equal to 36 and the maturity value 10,110. First of all, we will find out the interest. This is equal to maturity value minus principal into n. That is the sum, total sum deposited. On subtracting these, we have rupees 1110. This is the interest. Now the interest formula says I is equal to p n plus 1 by 24 into r upon 100. This is same as the formula for simple interest we are using in previous classes. On putting the value of I, P and N, we have 2400 into 1110 divided by 250 into 36, n plus 1 is equal to 37. We will get the value r is equal to 8%. This is the first answer of this question of part A. Now we move the second part. In the second part, the condition is changed. Now the monthly sum becomes rupees 50 more. Now the value of monthly sum is rupees 300. Formula is the same. The value of P n plus 1 by 2 into r upon 100. On solving, the new interest is now 1332. The difference between these two interests is 1332 minus 1110. It becomes rupees 222. So Mr. Rao will receive rupees 222 more. Now we move to the last part of this question. Here we have given a triangle, two triangles in our triangle. We have to prove both the right angle triangles are similar. So for this, we know that angle ABC and angle ABED that is given in the question is of 90 degrees, so equal. Now this A is common in both the triangle AED and ABC. So by angle rule of similarity, both the triangles are similar. Now we have to find out some values in this question. The values of BC, that is this one, the value of AD, that is this value, and the value of EAE, this value. For value BC, we will use the right angle triangle ABC and applying Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out the base. The square of the base is equal to square of the hypotenuse minus square of the altitude. Putting value of AC and AB here, on squaring these values, we will get 625 minus 400 is equal to 225. Okay, this is not here. Now BC square is equal to 15 square. On taking square root on both sides, BC becomes 15 centimeter. This is the answer of value of BC here. Now if both the triangle A, B, C and AED are similar, then by the property the ratio of the side of corresponding side of a similar triangles are also equal. तो ये ratio भी equal हो जाएगा. Ratio is also equal on putting the respective value of AB, BC, ED, AE. We will get AE by cross multiplying these relations. So AD becomes 3 into 25 divided by 15 on solving. AD is equal to 5 centimeter. AE is equal to 20 into 3 divided by 15. AE is equal to 4 centimeters. So part B is over. Now we move to part 3. Part 3 is related to the scale factor. We have to find out the scale factor in this for this reason. So actual area is given in the question. If we observe that actual area is given. What is the actual area? Actual area here is 576 meter square. So actual area is 576 meter square. We have to convert meter square into centimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100. It means 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. So actual area we have. Now we have to find out this figure area in the map. For this, we will apply the trick. We will find out area of the bigger triangle ABC and subtract the area of smaller triangle AED. So we will get the required area. The formula for area of triangle we know very well. It is equal to half into base into height. So half into base into height. In the second triangle, once again half into base into height. On putting the value, the area of the bigger triangle is 150 and the area of smaller triangle is 6. On subtracting these two, we have 144 centimeter square. Now the formula for scale factor is regarding area. Scale factor, square of the scale factor is equal to actual area of BCD divided by area of BCD in map. On putting both the values, 144 will cancel out this 576 up to 4 times. 4 into 10 power 4. On taking square root, it becomes 2 into 10 to the power 2. It means 200. So answer of this part is the key factor is equal to 200. So question number 2 is over here.